Yes, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk a little bit about Oriki. Oriki in Yoruba means a poem designed to praise and say the exploits of your lineage. Every Yoruba child, every bona fide Yoruba child has three major types of Oriki. First, from your father's house, they have the family Oriki. Then from your town or your tribe, you have the Oriki. Then you have from your own name, Oriki. So there are different types of Oriki. In fact, Oriki can still be broken down into various kinds. Like just maybe you just fancy the name or just fancy somebody and you start calling yourself that name or anything. But ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, in Yoruba land, we have a basis of praising our ancestors through the lineage as it descends down. So it tells us that, okay, this is how these people evolved and this is where we come from. Most stories come from the Oriki. Because by the time they praise the person and they're talking about what exploits the forefathers have done, you already know what those the ancestors were into and what they did to make them great and how they came about it. So now, the first type of Oriki I'm going to talk about is Oriki Idile. That is family Oriki, family praises. There are several families in Yoruba land, and each one of them has their own particular Oriki. There are some families that, okay, maybe they are warriors, some are farmers, some can be traders, some can be different kind of things, but they all have their family Oriki. So, like me, I am from the Olofa family lineage. So my Oriki is Omo Olofa, Mojo, Yeru Okin, Omo Olalomi, Abisujoruko, Ìjàkadì Katakiti Lóru Ọ̀fà, Ọmọ ìjàkan tí wọ́n ń jà lọ́fà nílé Ọlálọ́mí, ó ṣojú ebì, ó ṣojú ìporo, kì bá ṣojú olóko, kì bá làwọn, ọmọ pínre, ọmọ láàre, ìkan ò gbọdọ̀ jù kan. Bí kan bá jù kan, ẹrú ló ń kó wọn lóru. That is my own Oriki. And that's the short form of it. It's very long. But it just proves some point. I can just pick out some point and say, oh, these are the kind of people my ancestors were. So I can say my ancestors were actually warriors. I come from a lineage of kings. And after that, my ancestors were also very fair. Ọmọ pínre, ọmọ láàre, ìkan ò gbọdọ̀ jù kan. Tí kan bá jù kan. So, apart from the fact that they were kings and princes, they were very fair. They liked to be just. So, that is from my own tribe. When I come to my name, I can praise myself in my father's name that, oh, ọmọ mọ́lẹ̀ àmú gbàgbà bí ẹkùn. Ìṣe òpèrè lẹ́yìn, ó fàdá pa yín àgbẹ̀. Ọmọ mọ́lẹ̀ ìyáyọ̀ lọ́jọ́ ọjà. Yes, olóṣọmọdì gbàdá lọ́wọ́ ọmọ ojo. That means my forefathers were warriors and they were fearless. They could just disarm feeble-minded people and just, if you are not strong enough, you can't face them. That's my lineage. So, also, I can now praise myself, or I can talk about my my own Oriki based on where my mother or my father comes from, but that is the story for another day. Also, based on the town you come from. The town I come from I am from Ilesha. So, because I am from Ilesha, I have my own lineage. The people from Oshogbo, they have their own. They are Oshogbo Ìlú Aro, Oriki Asala, Are Opeta, Are Peta Wongba. It still goes on. It shows that they have their own culture and how they have evolved. The people from Ogun State, yes, they are called the Egbas. They are called Egba, and the Egbas are always praised that Egba mo Lishabi, Lishabi agbongbo akala. It goes on and on and on. The people from Ibadan, báwo ló ṣe ń kí wọn? They are also like, okay, Ìbàdàn ọmọ àjòròsùn, ọmọ àjẹ̀gbínyó, ọmọ àfikàrà òun fọ́ orí mu. Ìbàdàn bí wọ́n lè gbé ń jàre olóhun, wọ́n ní wọn náà ṣe gbé síbẹ̀ yẹn. That's the funny part of it. Yes, it's interesting. That is what lineage is about. When you know of your lineage, you will be happy that, wow, it has so much to say about you. It has so much to say about your previous ancestors. And it's something to be proud of. But if you are not coming out to look for it, if you don't make the extra move to go and check where you come from, how you evolved, you may be lost. You won't know where you are from. So I will ask you that you please try and endeavour. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ wa kó máa gbọ́ oríkì wọn sétí. Torí nígbà táwọn ọmọ wà kékeré, nígbà tán sì máa ń kí ọmọ, a gbọ́ nínú ìtàn pé tọmọ kékeré bá ń ké, tán bá kì í, á dákẹ́. Tàbí téèyàn bá fẹ́ jà, tó bá fẹ́ bínú, tán bá kì í, ara ẹ̀ á wálẹ̀, kò ní bínú mọ́. You just calm down because ó gbọ́ gbogbo àwọn praises ẹ̀ yẹn, ó máa sink sí lára pé èmi náà kì yẹn, èmi náà orí mi wú. These are the little things tá lè ṣe fáwọn ọmọ wa. It's little in our own when we think about it, but you are right, giving them the baton. You are passing a good baton to them to live on, as in continue living even after you. So I think it's good. I think it's fun. I think it's nice. Oriki Shipo. And I'll still try and talk about some. But for today, I'm going to stop here. Because I want so many other people to I want to talk about so many other people's Oriki too. Like, yes, Lagos. Yes, people may think, do Lagosians have Oriki? They do. Yes. Some people will say, yes, why not? Lagosians can just be like, okay, a lè kí ọmọ Èkó ní Èkó arómi, ọmọ Èkó arómi sálẹ̀gbẹ̀lẹ̀gbẹ̀, ọmọ afínjú wọlé wọn àrìngbẹ̀ndẹ̀kẹ̀, ọbùn wọjà wọn apá ṣíọṣíọ, ọbùn ṣíọṣíọ ní òrẹ́rù afínjú wọlé. Oríkì àwọn Èkó gangan nìyẹn. So these are one or two of it. If you know what that means, it means that when a smart person comes in, you walk smartly and behave smartly. But when a sluggish and dirty person comes in, he will just sluggishly walk around the place and everybody will see, oh, no, this is not somebody to be regarded. And that the person that is sluggish will be the one to carry or act as a load carrier for the person that is smart. So you have to be smart. So when they tell a child that, the child will say, oh, okay, that's true. I need to be smart. I'm from Lagos. So that is how each and every one of those Oriki and the words and what they mean, bó ṣe ń affect wa, that is how we can relate with it, that, oh yes, it's something to be proud of. It's beyond just singing blah, 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 or hip-hop. We can still learn hip-hop. We can sing and enjoy other music, but we should not neglect our culture. It's a good thing, and it's beautiful. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching my video. If you have enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, and please share. Thank you. Have a blessed day.